asus NUC 12 Pro, Intel Core i7-1260p processor, asus NUC Pro. Unboxing. This is the package. Going to open the box. This is the package, how it looks. This is the model number NUC 1260SH, and path number you can see 90AR00E1-M000J0, the path number. Going to break the seal. Two-side seal. Yep. asus NUC Pro. These are the user manual. asus NUC 12 Pro. And these are the things are inside. Wall mount plate, back side you can fix. Power adapter, the pin you can see. Voltage 6 ampere. $120. So very big power adapter. Other things inside we can see extra things. One power cable. And some screws are there. Yeah, that's it. Now I will show you the unit. What are the ports available inside? This is the power port, HDMI, Thunderbolt, RJ45, 2.5 giga speed, USB 2.0 and USB 10 GB, and Thunderbolt 2, and one more HDMI. So 2 HDMI total here. This is the ventilation. The side view, Kensington lock system, and cooling out. And this is the front side. 10G USB port, 10G USB Thunderbolt, and headphone jack combo, 2-in-1 combo, and power button. another side, and this is the back side look. It's a very small PC by asus. Before it was Intel NUC, now asus NUC. So in this one only having a processor, we need to upgrade the RAM and SSD drive.